Welcome to Going English. Today we are going to talk about the simple present tense, verb conjugation. Are you ready? Let's start. When to use it? We use the simple present to talk about routines, habits, and facts. Here are some examples.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
You play football.
We eat lunch at noon.
They watch TV in the evening.
Grammar point. When we use the simple present tense, the verb followed by subject pronouns, I, you, we, and they, usually stays the same. I play chess. We eat lunch. They watch TV. For the third person, he, she, and it, we must change the verb. This is called conjugation. That's when we add s, es, or ies. Let's check some examples with verbs ending with s. We usually add s at the end of most verbs. The verb play conjugated becomes plays. I play, he plays, she plays, it plays. I play the guitar, she plays the guitar. I work in an office, he works in an office. My dog hates cats. Now let's check some examples with verbs ending with s. We add es when the verb ends with sh, ch, ss, x, or o. I watch TV, she watches TV. I go to school, he goes to school. They fix the car, he fixes the car. The tomato goes in the salad. Now, let's check some examples with verbs ending with ies. When a verb ends with y, we usually change y to ies. I study English, he studies English. I carry a bag, she carries a bag. You cry, the baby cries. Recap. Conjugating verbs in the third person is not difficult. You just need to remember these rules. With he, she, it, most verbs add s. Verbs ending in sh, ch, ss, x, o add es. Verbs ending in consonant plus y change to ies. With I, you, we, they, the verb stays the same. Let's practice. I will read some sentences and you choose the correct answer. Ready? Let's go! Question 1. She English every day. Answer. Studies. Question 2. He TV in the evening. Answer. Watches. Question 3. It very fast. Answer. Goes. Question 4. They, football at school. Answer, play. Question 5. The dog on the sofa. Answer, sleeps. How many did you get correct? If you want more practice, check the quiz video in the cards above. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.